Best 2-in-1 soldering stations. Are you looking for the best 2-in-1 soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best 2-in-1 soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YIHUA 862BD Plus Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station. Upgrade your workspace with the YIHUA 862BD Plus SMD ESD Safe 2-in-1 Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. This professional-grade rework station combines a high-performance soldering iron and a hot air gun in one compact unit, making it ideal for electronics repair, circuit board work, and detailed soldering projects. With a powerful 750W output and support for both degree F and degree C temperature settings, you can adjust heat levels with accuracy to suit various applications. The soldering iron heats quickly, maintaining stable temperatures for consistent results, while the hot air rework function is perfect for desoldering, reflow, and SMD component repair. Built with ESD-safe technology, the 862BD Plus protects sensitive components from static damage, ensuring your projects remain safe and reliable. The dual digital displays allow you to monitor both soldering and hot air temperatures simultaneously, offering better control and efficiency. Compact and lightweight at only 0.3 ounces with dimensions of 4.88 inch dx 9.8 wx 7.36 h, this unit fits seamlessly into any workspace. Its sturdy build and intelligent features make it suitable for both beginners and professionals looking for a dependable soldering solution. Whether you're a hobbyist or working in electronics repair, the YIHUA 862BD Plus 2-in-1 soldering station delivers outstanding versatility and precision for all your soldering and rework needs. Number 2. WEP 882D Soldering Iron Station. The WEP 882D 2-in-1 soldering iron and SMD hot air rework station is the ultimate all-in-one solution for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional soldering tasks. Designed with reliability and convenience in mind, this high-performance unit combines a precision soldering iron and a powerful hot air rework system into one compact device. With 750W of power and adjustable temperature control, the 882D offers fast heating and consistent performance for a wide range of applications. Whether you're soldering delicate components, desoldering chips, or reworking circuit boards, the adjustable air volume and temperature give you maximum flexibility. This kit includes everything you need to get started right away: 2 spools of solder wire, 5 soldering tips, 3 hot air nozzles, a brass wool tip cleaner, tweezers, and a desoldering pump. Each accessory is designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient, whether you're a beginner or an experienced technician. Compact yet sturdy, the unit weighs 1.1 kilograms and measures 3.54 inch dx 5.9 wx 2.28 h, making it easy to fit into any workspace without sacrificing power or reliability. Operating at 110V, it provides safe and stable performance for long-term use. Perfect for electronics enthusiasts, repair shops, and hobbyists, the WEP 882D soldering iron station delivers professional-grade precision, durability, and value. Take your soldering and rework projects to the next level with this versatile and complete soldering station kit. Number 3. CREWORKS 898D Soldering and Rework Station. Take on your electronic repair projects with confidence using the CREWORKS 2-in-1 SMD Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, model SRSD 898-00. This professional-grade soldering kit combines a powerful soldering iron and a hot air rework station into one compact unit, giving you all the tools you need for soldering, desoldering, and reworking delicate electronic components. Equipped with a clear LED display, this station allows precise temperature control, making it easy to switch between tasks with accuracy. The 700W power output ensures fast heating and stable performance, whether you're working with circuit boards, SMD components, or general soldering repairs. The dual functionality saves time and space, making it an efficient solution for hobbyists, technicians, and repair professionals. This kit includes 11 soldering tips, providing versatility for various soldering needs, from fine detail work to larger joints. The built-in hot air gun is perfect for reflowing solder, removing chips, and repairing surface mount devices. The user-friendly design makes it simple to operate, even for beginners, while still meeting the demands of professional use. Powered by 110V, the Rework station is safe, stable, and reliable for long-term operation. Its compact design fits easily into any workspace without compromising performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional electronics repair technician, the CREWORKS 898D soldering kit delivers everything you need for precision, efficiency, and durability in one convenient package. Number 4. MeFix 8586 Soldering and Hot Air Station. Upgrade your repair toolkit with the MeFix 8586 Soldering Station, a professional-grade 2-in-1 electric iron and SMD hot air rework station designed for precision, versatility, and reliability. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, replacing components, or working on DIY electronics, this all-in-one unit delivers the power and control you need. With a robust 760W output and 110V AC operation, the MeFix 8586 ensures fast heat-up times and consistent performance. The soldering iron provides precise temperature control for delicate soldering tasks, while the integrated hot air rework system is perfect for desoldering, reflowing, and repairing surface mount devices. Engineered for durability, this rework station is both compact and powerful. Measuring 5.43-inch dx 3.78 wx 6.02h and weighing 2.85 kilograms, it fits seamlessly into any workspace while maintaining a sturdy, professional build. The user-friendly design makes it suitable for both beginners and seasoned technicians, offering adjustable heat and airflow for different applications. The MeFix 8586 also incorporates safety features to protect sensitive components, making it an ESD-safe choice for modern electronics repair. Its intuitive interface allows quick switching between soldering and hot air functions, saving time and improving efficiency. Ideal for hobbyists, repair shops, and electronics professionals, the MeFix 8586 2-in-1 soldering station combines high performance with ease of use. Take your soldering and rework projects to the next level with this reliable, versatile tool built to handle all your electronic repair needs. Number 5. TLBZK 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The TLBZK 2-in-1 Rework Soldering Station is a versatile and reliable tool designed for professionals, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts who work with electronics and circuit board repairs. Combining a powerful hot air soldering station with a precision soldering iron, this all-in-one kit delivers everything you need for soldering, desoldering, and reworking tasks. With a 600W power output and operating on 110V AC, this station heats quickly and maintains stable temperatures for consistent performance. The soldering iron is perfect for fine detail work, while the integrated hot air gun is ideal for removing chips, reflowing solder, and repairing SMD components. Adjustable temperature and airflow controls ensure you have the right settings for any job. Equipped with an easy-to-read LED display, the TLBZK soldering station provides precise monitoring of heat levels, giving you more control and accuracy during delicate tasks. The kit also includes essential accessories such as soldering tips, hot air nozzles, tweezers, and a fuse for safe operation. Compact, durable, and user-friendly, this rework station is built to fit into any workspace without sacrificing power or functionality. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or a professional needing dependable equipment, the TLBZK station makes electronic repair tasks easier and more efficient. Take your soldering projects to the next level with the TLBZK 2-in-1 Rework Soldering Station, a complete solution for precision, versatility, and long-lasting performance.